Hi there, so from the title you already know, we are going to be wrapping Moi Moi in Ụma Leaves, and if you would love to watch this, please stay tuned and enjoy the video. So these are called Ụma Leaves, and these are like the sticks. So it's actually, these sticks are actually cut out from this part of the leaves, but these are the leaves. It's called Ụma Leaves. I'm not sure if it has an English name or I don't know, but yeah, we're going to just rinse them out and water here. It's not hot water, just room temperature. Beans flour, groundnut oil. This is catfish pepper soup, so you can use meat stock, chicken stock, whatever stock you have. And there are still some particles of fish in it, so extra yumminess. We have eggs. Is it Akashi Shombo? That's bell peppers. Then what's this called? Fresh pepper. Then here we have ginger, garlic, salt. I think there's crayfish and Cameroon pepper, chicken seasoning, beef seasoning, and yeah. The Ụma leaves, and I'm going to show you how to wrap them if you don't already know. You need a small one and a bigger one. So this is bigger than this, as you can see. So we're just going to align these two places. I mean these two edges, yeah. Then hold the tip here, just here, and fold. Okay, now that you folded one part, you fold this one as well, and it will go backwards. Then so from here you're going to bend this place, and voila, you have your opening for Moi Moi. For you to close it, you need to just gently bring this part, fold again, okay? And then by the time you fold, you want these two to either be closed or at least for one to be on top of the other. So try not to overfill it, because when you do, it's going to pour out, and by the time it's done steaming and increasing in size, it's going to be everywhere. So yeah. We're going to blend all the ingredients except the egg. And while that is happening, I'm going to show you how you place this in pots. I like to put in this one first. I like to put in this leaf first. Just make sure it's covering the bottom part. And then I put this. This is longer than my pot, so I need to cut it. My people, let me give you people small backstory. I filmed this video in the course of 2 days. So the day I was supposed to make the Moi Moi, I actually filmed it in the afternoon, the first part of the video. But then I was waiting for light, no light. I couldn't blend them. I couldn't blend these things. So there was no light, and then we couldn't get diesel. There was nowhere to get diesel. So you can imagine that. So it was the next morning. They miraculously brought the light, like say around 6 a.m. So that's when I finally blended this and completed the video. So Nigeria as a country, it's frustrating, so keep enjoying the video. And while the Moi Moi is ready, you just need to put water on fire.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So this was steamed for about 30 minutes, and if you want to check if it's done, you can use a toothpick or a skewer. I used a chopstick for this. Just chuck it into the moi moi, and if it comes out clear, then it's done. But if it comes out with some sticky moi moi parts, then it's not entirely done. So we've come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know, what's your favorite thing to take moi moi with? Is it pap? Is it gari? What else? Maybe tea, cornflakes? I'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.